We will now learn how to wire the schematic and label the important nets using global label. You will see that each symbol pin has a small circle at the end, which means it is not connected. To connect them, we will use the Draw Wire tool. Click the Draw Wire button on the right hand side of the toolbar, or you can just press W key from your keyboard. Now go to the component and click on that small circle, and then go to the other component and then again click on that small circle of that component. You can also double click anywhere to stop drawing a wire, or you can just press the escape button from your keyboard. Then do the other wiring for the components. After wiring the component, let's add the power and the ground symbol. To do this, click the add power symbol button, or you can just press P key from your keyboard. This opens a filtered symbol chooser showing only the power related symbols. After that, you add a VCC symbol for the positive voltage and a ground symbol for the ground. Then connect them to the appropriate part of the circuit using the wiring tool. Now let's talk about labeling. Click the place button from the right toolbar. Enter a name. I will write LED. Make sure that the label square anchor touches the wire. It must overlap to make an electrical connection. You can rotate or move the label for clarity.